Over the years, we've created all sorts of recipes that inspire romance. On Valentine's Day, we've made a lava cake that could melt anyone's heart. We've also shared something called engagement chicken, which is so good that once you make it for that someone special, it'll seal the deal. Since it's the beginning of June, which happens to be the biggest month of the year for weddings, I thought I'd share a recipe with you for something called Newlyweds Pot Roast. All it is a chuck roast that we seared along with lots of onions until they were browned. Then we add some water, lemon juice, brown sugar, salt, and get this, some cinnamon. Now all we do is loosely cover it, turn it down to a simmer until it's fork tender. That's it. And when you serve this to that someone special, get ready for the sparks to fly. It's that good. Maybe pair it with a glass of wine and some of your favorite go-alongs and see what happens. So what are you waiting for? Go online and check out the recipe for our Newlyweds Pot Roast, so you'll have a secret weapon to keep your honeymoon going, no matter how long you've been together. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweetheart of a way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Nice and tender.